part 4 of the Philadelphia Westchester crop circle. So the birds will start because there's a nest. Good morning. We're not here to interfere. We're here to see the crop circle. Good morning. Because we knew this would happen. The fourth and final crop circle is up on this hill near this bird's home. And as we climb up here, we'll go another way, going back not to disturb the bird. Here is the bird, and here is the stone. And this crop circle is more wide open. And there's the love water treatment, and then further across are the 3 larger crop circles and the 4th crop circle, and this here is the 5th, and there is the stone. So now you've had the pleasure of seeing all 4 videos of the Philadelphia Westchester crop circle and the part 4.